Hello friends, welcome to B.ed Solutions. Today I am sharing the 9th lesson plan of English grammar for B.ed 3rd sem. The topic of the lesson plan is conjunctions. We start the plan with writing the name of pupil teacher, then name of school, subject, topic, class. I have taken this topic from class 7th. Period, you can write second, third, whatever you wish to. Duration is 40 minutes. We start with the general aims. These are always 3 to 5 in numbers. Then comes the specific aims. Then teaching aids. Over here I have used this chart showing different types of conjunctions. Then comes the previous knowledge. So here you can write the students have previous knowledge about conjunctions. Then comes the introductory question part, where you divide the page into two parts, questions and answers. The teacher is going to ask the questions and the students will give the answer. Here you can write the answers given by the students so that you arrive at the topic, which is conjunctions. Then comes the statement of aim, which is today we are going to study about conjunctions. Presentation. In presentation we write that whether this lesson is divided into 1 unit or 2 units. So since it is a big topic, it is divided into 2 units. The teaching method over here is inductive deductive methods. I have made 2 lesson plans for conjunctions because there are 3 to 4 types of conjunctions. 2 I have shown in this lesson plan and 2 in the next plan. So I will share both the plans together for your convenience. Then we start with unit 1. The pattern is same. First the presentation part is there, where the teacher gives some examples which are written in teacher's activity. In the blackboard column we write the heading. Student activities, the students will tell the conjunctions in the following sentences. You can write the student response over here. Then generalization is there, where we explain why we have used these conjunctions or what is conjunctions. Then comes the meaning of conjunction, which is the explanation part. Whatever definition we have written here, we'll write it in the blackboard column along with the miniature. Then comes the application part. Here you will write some sentences. The students are going to give their response. Like the sentences, Jack is completely like his father. So the conjunction over here is like. The same sentence we will write in the blackboard column. This is how you explain the conjunctions. Then comes the comprehensive questions. You will ask the question, students will give their response, you will write the same response in the blackboard work. The second unit is type of conjunctions. First unit we explained what conjunction is. Second unit we will explain the types. So there are 3 types of conjunctions. I have stuck a miniature over here, you can also stick it. Then we start with the generalization. This is a small introduction that today we will learn about different types of conjunctions. In generalization we write or and nor are the coordinating conjunctions. First we are explaining coordinating conjunctions. Okay, here is the miniature which is showing different types of coordinating conjunctions. We will explain it over here. Then comes the application part, where again you will write certain sentences over here. You will copy the sentences here, and then you can explain what is the conjunction in these sentences. Then comes the comprehensive questions, and after the second unit comes the recapitulatory questions, where you can ask questions like what is the meaning of conjunctions, name the type of conjunctions, make 2 sentences using coordinating conjunctions. Then comes the classwork, which is objective type questions. where you can complete the sentences using correct conjunctions. Like, would you like to have cheese, blank, butter on your sandwich? So the blank will be or. The students are going to give this answer. Then comes the homework where you can use match the columns question, and then this lesson plan ends with the signatures. Now the next part of conjunction is explained in lesson plan number 10. So I am sharing both the plans together. The pattern is the same. First the aims, general, specific aim, then teaching aid, then previous knowledge, then introductory questions will come. Then comes the statement of aim. The whole pattern will be the same. Now we'll start unit 1 with the type of conjunctions, which is correlative conjunction. Here comes the presentation. Teacher will give some examples. Students will listen carefully and answer. The same thing is written on the blackboard work. Then comes the generalization. First always comes the presentation, then generalization. In the blackboard work, you can stick some miniatures showing the examples or pair of words, showing correlative conjunctions. Then you explain the meaning, and then comes the application part where we use these conjunctions in sentences. Here I have stuck a miniature showing correlative conjunctions and their use in sentences. This you can get from Google or YouTube. Then comes the comprehensive questions. Here part 1 ends. The next part is unit 2. Here we are explaining subordinating conjunctions. The presentation will start, teacher will give some examples, students will listen carefully and answer. Then comes the generalization part. Here I have highlighted some conjunctions: because, before, whether. Then comes the meaning. You can stick miniatures wherever you want to highlight the blackboard work. Then comes the application. Here I have written some subordinating conjunctions: before, after, as, if, in order to. Then comes the comprehensive questions. Then recapitulatory questions. Then comes the classwork, which should be objective type. You can give a table where you have mentioned some conjunctions and you can ask the students to fill these sentences with specific conjunctions. Then the homework, and then this lesson plan ends with signatures of the pupil teacher, then signature of the guide and of the supervisor. So I have completed conjunctions topic in these 2 lesson plans. I hope it is helpful. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video.